Okay, so this is the one local anesthetic injection machine. In these videos, we're going to talk about how to load the machine and what are the different needles that we are using, and how to lubricate the O-rings, which is the rubber around this area, and how to use the extension rate handpiece. So we have a green, the wand needles, handpieces with needles. This is a short needles. We use it for single tooth anesthesia. That means this needles is only that small, and you can use it with the xylocaine or articaine. That's totally fine, but this is only for single tooth or for doing upper injection. If we need to do injection for the lower teeth, this is what we need to use. This is the one handpieces that is 1.75 centimeter, which is a lot longer. You can use it to give inferior alveolar nerve block, which is injection for the lower teeth. So don't so remember that there's two types of needles. So in here I've got the needles that I've opened. This is blue needles. After we take this out, we will not uncap the needles. We put it in the O-rings right here, push it in. You can feel that I'm pushing it in quite a lot so that it gets stuck in there. Okay, so this is equivalent to the cartridge holder for the local anesthetic holder. And how you want to do it is that you want to put this in here. Okay, so close to the initial bit where this is, where the rubber is here, right here, you will puncture through the needles or the feeding elements right here. So you push it in. Okay, this is how the solution get drips into the pipe and into the needles. All right, so you will see that the 2.2, which is our ordinary local anesthetic cartridge, is longer than the handpieces. That is the reason why we need to use this extension bit. And with the extension bit, it goes in. There's only one way that it will go in, right here. Okay, and when it goes in, anything that locks in the one units is anti-clockwise. So once we lock this in, it goes in right here. Okay, it goes in right here. Right, so you will never want to touch the extension bits anymore. Okay, when it comes to here, it has got two little pointy bits actually right here, and two little pointy bits right here. So anyway, there's only one way that you can fit this in as well. Okay, so anti-clockwise is locking, so I'm only fitting it in right now. So make sure that the one unit is turned on to auto perch right here. All right, and then coming to here, we are doing an anti-clockwise turn. So look at my finger, I'm only touching the cartridge holder, I'm not touching the pink, the red handpieces. Okay, so turn it, push it in, turn it 90 degrees, and you will be able to see that the cartridges is now being read by the computer machine and is now fully loaded. Okay, so that's basically how we are using this, and we'll talk about how to use this in the next videos. But then to take this out, once this is finished, okay, usually it will tell you that by emptying all this light, and when you want to take it out, you will just turn this cartridge holder, not with these but with these, clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise is for locking, clockwise is for non-locking. All right, so then you can take this out. All right, the machine will sometimes ask you to lubricate the plunger, and if you want to if it is asking for lubricating the plunger, we can use the silicone lubricant or the food grade silicone, same thing. Okay, so basically you will squirt a little bit of gel right here, just onto the black bit, okay, the black O-rings, and then you can stick it right here, Alright, so anytime that you want to assemble this, make sure you take this off, push this in, anti-clockwise, push it in, anti-clockwise. Thank you for watching. Okay.